Okay, let's go with me. Go inside. Yeah, look at the way. Yes, look at Dunkin' Donut today. Yeah, go inside. Yeah, yeah, we gotta go inside over there. Yeah. Okay, for customer. Yes, go. Yeah, look at alright. Okay, for you. You're welcome. Capital small cap over here. Yeah, the Capital small cap need to go inside. Yeah, look at livery inside. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Customer in there. Yeah, in there. Okay. Come pick up for customers order at the Michelle. Okay, go with me at the Michelle. At Michelle. Okay, go inside. Go inside over here. Let's go. Oh, customer. Right now, this for all stop for customer. Got stop for customer at Michelle, you know. Last stop over here. 3 cars over here. Okay, bring to customer right now. Okay, bye. Customer over here. Yeah, 5 star. 5 star for pizza. Go inside. Nice too. Okay, that's it. Okay, it's time to eat right now. Yeah, 3 o'clock. I'm not yet eat. I come McDonald's for the stop for it right now. Yeah, so hungry. Around 3 o'clock, not yet eat. Okay, right now it's come order. It's okay, guys. For dinner right now. 3 o'clock. It's not it right now. It's busy, you know. Busy. So right now, so hungry. That's why I need to eat. Order cook at McDonald's and number 1 Big Mac. Yeah, and Big Mac number 1 too. Yes, for it right now. Okay. Yeah, right now, yeah, we got the Big Mac over here. Yeah. It's time for eat. Okay, let's go. Go eat right now. Okay, it's time to eat right now. Order from McDonald's. Yeah. We have tomato stripe. That's good. Huh? 400. That's good. 400. Yeah. So hungry. And the Big Mac. Yeah. And the Big Mac over here too. And it's nice. I like McDonald's. It's good. Some they don't like. Some they do too busy. Some you need to wait some long time too. That's why somebody so mad for McDonald's. Yeah, because wait so long. Because a lot of people to buy, that's why they wait too long. I don't have people, you cannot wait. They have people to buy a lot. That's right. You wait long. Yeah. Don't matter, you know, some the sauce for burger. That's why they don't have the worker over here a little bit. When they have a lot of customers coming, yeah, that's why. Just stay long like that, you know that. When they have a lot of customers, when they made for you, they have a little bit people, they saw people, they need to wait. Don't mad for them, okay? That's it. Just to do their job. Go with me. I tried the whole day. I told you I tried the whole day. How much I can cut the whole day. Okay, bye. Yeah, right now it's come pick up for customer the state house. State house right now. The state house over here. Yeah, it's nice. Come the gas level for pick up the state house. Go inside. Yep. Go inside state house over here. Yeah, that's nice. Go ahead, go. Thank you. Go inside. Oh, inside here. The cat over here. Orange rose over here. Yeah. We go in over here. Not easy. Okay, right now got for customer. Okay, just keep go over here. Yep, go over here. Yeah. Okay. Right now. Okay, we got the whole day we got 11 point. Yeah, 11 point. 11 customer. Yeah, we got 82. Yeah, we got 82. Yeah, $82. The whole day you got 11 point.